Hello everyone, myself Sujata Dilip Patil, English subject teacher from PV Kanya Shala Pune. Welcome in my online class, Learn with Sujata. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to learn and discuss about the chit chat activity from the lesson from our 10th standard English textbook, Unit 3, Subunit 3.4. Let us march. Let us march म्हणजे आगेकूच करूया. Dear students, you have to discuss about these two images given on the page number 105 from our English textbook. Unit 3, Subunit 3.4, Let us march, warming up activity. Let us begin. Question number 1. What differences do you notice in the two images? Answer. Two boys are there in this picture. One is working and another is going to school by bicycle. Which of the two situations should change? And the answer is the situation of working boy should change. How and when can the situation change? And the answer is the situation will change only when each and every child starts going to school. This should not be a need for the child to work and earn money. And last one question is, how can you as a student contribute and help make a difference to the needy children? And the answer is, as a student I can give some of my clothes, books, toys to the needy children and share some food with them so that they don't have to work to fulfill these needs. एका चांगल्या स्पीचची वैशिष्ट्ये आपल्याला या ठिकाणी पाठ्यपुस्तकात दिलेली आहेत. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 A. A good well organized speech contains the following characteristics and steps. A speech should be well planned. The language used should be suitable to the audience. It should have the right duration. It should be supported with good examples, episodes and visual aids where possible. Question 2 B. Read the expressions given below and insert them in your notebook in the proper boxes as shown below. या प्रश्नामध्ये आपल्याला चार प्रकारच्या शब्द चौकटीत दिलेले आहेत. ते शब्द म्हणजे ग्रीटिंग्स और सॅल्युटेशन्स, दुसरा शब्द आहे इंट्रोडक्शन, तिसरा शब्द आहे बॉडी ऑफ द स्पीच आणि चौथा आणि शेवटचा शब्द आहे कन्क्लुजन. असे चार प्रकारचे शब्द दिलेले आहेत. हे दिलेले एक्सप्रेशन्स आहेत. त्या चौकटीच्या वरती जे दिलेले एक्सप्रेशन्स आहेत ते एक्सप्रेशन्स कुठल्या शब्दाला योग्य आहेत ते ओळखून त्या ठिकाणी लिहायचं आहे. पहा कशा पद्धतीने लिहायचं आहे. ए आहे इमॅजिन व्हॉट विल हॅपन आफ्टर 10 years. द आन्सर इज इंट्रोडक्शन. म्हणजे हे जे काही दिलेलं वाक्य आहे ते इंट्रोडक्शन या प्रकारामध्ये येत आहे. बी. I would like to share with you an example from my own experience. The answer is body of the speech. C. Honorable chief guest, eminent dignitaries, respected management and staff, student, friends. And the answer is greetings or salutations. D. The research report says that. The answer is body of the speech. E. I don't understand why we are negative about this issue. And the answer is body of the speech. F. Think again and again and then move forward. And the answer is conclusion. G. Today I would like to put forth my views on. And the answer is introduction. H. I denote personality XYZ says. And the answer is body of the speech. I. Good morning one and all present today. And the answer is greeting or salutation. J. I would like to express my gratitude towards the organizers of the function for giving me opportunity. And the answer is conclusion. If we think about the salutation around us, We notice that, and the answer is introduction. Let me explain this to you, and the answer is introduction. अशा पद्धतीने ही कृती सोडवायची आहे. I hope you understood this lesson, and also you must have enjoyed this lesson a lot. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.